right, hi everybody. So in this video here, we're going to take a look at a question where we're going to we're going to factor by using a difference of squares. And I notice when I see this expression right here that I do have two terms. I've got this 2x plus 1, and I've got this 81. There is a subtraction between, so I can make this into a difference of squares. So I'm going to take the square root of that first term. And I should note that there are really two different ways you could do this. You could expand out that binomial. Totally could do that. But the intention here is that what you're going to do is you're going to take the square root of that term, which is really just going to be 2x plus 1. Okay? And I'll put that in the first term of both of these. Because remember, when I'm dealing with a difference of squares, I'm going to create binomial conjugates. So in this first one, I'm going to have subtraction. Over here, I'm going to have addition. And then we take the square root of 81, which is going to be 9. Now what I would do is I would drop the parentheses here, and I would get 2x plus 1 minus 9, 2x plus 1 plus 9. And I can drop the parentheses just as easy as that because there's no coefficient in front that needs to be multiplied through. Now I'm just going to simplify this a little bit, and I'm going to get 2x plus 1 minus 9 is going to be minus 8. 2x plus 1 plus 9 is going to be plus 10. Now, the interesting thing is, as soon as I did that, I created common factors to both of those factors there. So there's a common factor of 2 in this first one. That's going to leave me with x minus 4. And then there's another factor of 2 here. That's going to leave me with x plus 5. Then, because order doesn't matter with multiplication, I can move those 2's together and multiply them together to get 4 multiplied by x minus 4, x plus 5. Now, just to show you that this could work the other way, but you have to be careful about it, I could expand out that 2x plus 1, and I would get 4x squared plus 4x plus 1 minus 81. Now, the reason why I'm even doing this is just to take a moment here and just comment on the fact that a lot of times the danger that we run into when people try to do it this way is that they don't expand the binomial correctly. All they do is distribute the square to both terms here. Remember that when you're multiplying binomials together, you're going to have these interior terms there that you have to add. And so that's where that 4x is coming from. It's when I go 2x times 1 and then another 2x times 1 here. So this becomes 4x squared plus 4x minus 80. There is a common factor of 4 to all those terms. And then this is going to factor, just like we said, x minus 4, x plus 5. So there's two different ways you can do that. Again, just be careful if you're going to choose to expand that out, that you are identifying that middle term here. Otherwise, the difference of squares method, breaking into its binomial conjugates, is pretty good.